Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm fine here too. The sun is shining, but there is a storm raging outside. So I hope that will pass soon so you can go out again. Anyway, today I have another unboxing from the Darling Bead Box to share with you. And this time it came in black tissue paper with a pink sticker on. And it's something for Halloween. So it's called Spooky. Sorry. And here is the list of ingredients. Everything that's in the box. All right. So let's get started. Let's see. Sorry, I'm deafening you with the sound of this. All right. Here is the bag. It came in a black organza bag, of course. Very fitting for Halloween. And here are all the goodies inside. So as usual, I'm going to sort these out and I'll get right back to you. Okay, now I'm back and I have organized the beads so that it will be easier to share. Okay, first up, number one is, what is this? These are a 20 centimeter strand of 10 millimeter obsidian rounds. Wow, look at that. I like obsidian. Look at, oh, there the camera is. Aren't they nice? Just super jet black round beads. Very nice. Okay, and then we have number two. This is an 18 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter Czech fire polished beads in fire opal. Is this really 6? They look larger. Maybe they are 6. And the color is amazing. It's deep and almost like a burning color. It's like fire. Really nice. Cool. Put it over here. And then we have, let's see, number 3. This is it number 3? Yes. These are 50 pieces of 4 millimeter Czech fire polish beads in black. Black 4 millimeter fire polish. Cool. I like them. I don't know why they call them round beads because they're not round. They are, like oval beads. They're not round. But they are fire polished and we like that. Okay. Number 4. Ooh, look at this. This is a Toho 11-0s in opaque orange and black, and they are 5 grams each. This is neat. Very Halloweeny, I must say. Look, Tohos are always good, in my opinion. Cool. That's nice. Always that you get seed beads in a box, and I think that's nice, especially orange. I don't have any orange beads at all in seed beads anyway. And then we have number 5 here. This is an 18 centimeter strand of 4 millimeter pearlized glass rounds in gray. This is a really nice color, gray, I think. It's not too dark, and it is shiny. It's very nice. Okay, let's see. Then we have number, 6. And here we have 22 pieces of 5 by 16 millimeter Czech glass thorn beads in black, of course. Look at this. Thorns are cool. I have a project with them, so this is going to be nice. Look. Thorn beads are cool. I've never done anything with, I have done some earrings, I think. That was a long time ago. Cool. And then we have number 7. These are also, these are 30 pieces, 3 by 11 millimeter Czech side drilled Czech glass daggers in black. That was a long name. These are so cute. They are small. They look like the thorns, but they are kind of small. Very nice. This is going to be fun. It's an interesting selection, I must say. Let's put them over here in this box. All right. Then we have number 8. This is 5 pieces, 12 by 8 millimeter orange howlite pumpkins. Okay. Let's look at the pumpkins. Oh, there's one left there. Okay. These are cute. Have a really nice orangey color. And I don't know if they're not pumpkins, but they can serve as pumpkins. They're nice. You can use them for other projects as well. Okay. And then we have number 9. Is it number 9? Yes, it is. And these are red glass drops, 11 by 5 millimeter, and there are 10 of them. Let's have a look. Oh, come out. Oh, never mind. I didn't get them all out. Look at these. They're cool. They look like, no, I shouldn't say that. It looked like vampire blood. It's nice. Nice Halloween touch, I must say. Okay, let's put them here. And then we have number 10. And this is 100 pieces, 4 millimeter faceted opaque white Bicones. These are nice. It's kind of a, oh, I thought, okay, oh, God, it's an earthquake here. It's a kind of a long strand too. Okay, white opaque Bicones. Nice. And then we move into the finding section. And we have number 11. These are 20 pieces of 12 by 13 millimeter wings in gunmetal. Wings. We've had that before in some other box, I know. These are kind of small, but they are cute. Look, super small, but very cute, in my opinion. All right, let's see what we can make of these. Make with these, maybe. Okay, number 12 is, what is this? These are 2 pieces of 34 by, what does it say, 28 millimeter spider web chandeliers in antique silver. Oh, cool. They can actually double as, what do you call it? Dream catchers, but also as spider webs. These are nice. You can use them as maybe a pendant or a pair of earrings or something. I'll see. Okay, put them over here. No, we're going to put them over here. Okay, and then we have number. Oh, we already at 13. Yeah, these are 5 pieces of 20 by 10 millimeter cat charms in antique silver. That's fitting for Halloween, the black cat. But these are, of course, in antique silver, which is nice. I think the cat is kind of cute, isn't it? It's a cute cat, right? No, not the back side. I want it all to be on the front. All right. And then we have number 14. And in here we have 10 pieces, 10 millimeter wavy spacers in gunmetal. 10 pieces, that's not too much, but that's okay. Oh, I like these. These are fun. See? They're wavy. It was hard to show. Maybe it's better like this. See? I think this camera is really weird. I'm actually filming with a different camera today, and I don't really like it. Oh, anyway, I have to see what happens. Okay, and then number 15. What is this? This is 30 pieces, 8.5 by 2.5 gunmetal snowflake spacers. Oh, these are fun. I think they're also, no, maybe they are not called daisies. No, these are not daisies. But they can be called cogwheels as well. Ah, well, here they are. These are nice if you stack them. It turns into a really nice effect. See? Very nice. You can see it's over here. And then we have which number? 16. 16. Here. This is 1 meter, 2.5 millimeter gunmetal roller chain. I like Rollos, and I've never had a gunmetal Rollo chain before. So this is going to be cool. It's very well coordinated with the gunmetal and the dark antique silver. I like that. I like it. Okay, let's put it here so that we can see it. And then we have number, God, why can't I remember this? 17. 17, 17, where is it? I already lost it. No, here. This here is a clasp set. There is 1 toggle clasp and 2 lobster clasps. That's nice. And they are, because I at least I think this is nice, because I use lobster clasps way more than I use toggles. Actually, I use toggles for bracelets, never necklaces. I always use these, and the size is 15 millimeters, so they're not, you know, super tiny. This is cool. I can put them over here. Little clasp set, and these have a very nice gunmetal color as well. I hope you can see this. This camera is really, really weird. Sometimes it's bright and sometimes it's dark. We'll see. Okay, and then we have number 18, and in here we find, what do we find? 8 pieces of gunmetal and black ear wires. So you have, like, you can make, let's see here, you can make, how many can I make? 2 pairs each of, you can make 2 black pairs and 2 gunmetal pairs. That's cool. Black ear wires are not that usual or common or whatever. Nice. And then we have number 19, and these are bead caps. There are 30 pieces of 6 millimeter 6 petal gunmetal bead caps. They look like this, and I think these are cute. Let's see if we can get a better look at them, like that. They look nice. It's a nice color too, also, the gunmetal. Why is it so dark? Okay, maybe I can fix that. Okay, gonna put them over here. Maybe we can see them over here. Yes, we can. And then we actually do have a little surprise. What is this? This is, let's see. Let's pull it out. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, pull this out. It's one. It's actually, let's see, 2 pieces of 2 skeleton hands. Cool. This could be a really nice pair of earrings. Or let's see if maybe you could put them together like this, maybe, and have it as and you can sort of bead like a pendant or something. Nice. This is fun. I think these were fun. Let's put them in the middle. here. How large are they? No, it didn't say. Could it be 3.5, 4 centimeters, something like that? Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I should not move that. Move the camera instead. Okay, so this was all in the October box from Darling Beads, and I'm very happy with it. I like Halloween, so I think this is a really neat box for the holidays. So I'll get back to you with things that I've made with this, if I can come up with anything. I think so. I have a few ideas. So thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.